Here's your New York Air Show for you, 2019, New Windsor, New York. We've been in line of traffic for over an hour. We went less than 100 feet. You got people blowing their horn, going nuts. People are getting out of their car, they're disgusted. If they ever have a medical emergency, you're going to have a real situation on your hands. People are cutting the line over here on the right. They're supposed to come out over here. People are cutting diagonally across the parking lot. They maybe don't even know they're not supposed to do that. It's all converging over here in what they call the handicap lot. I called the New Windsor police. They said they're aware of the situation. That was a half an hour ago. So far nothing's happening. Periodically we'll hear 20 cars blowing their horns. I would say do not come to the New York Air Show next year because they didn't have police barricades over here in this parking lot. It's a huge parking lot. Thousands of cars. Nobody's moving. People are standing outside of their cars, disgusted. Don't go to the air show next year. Big disaster. I've never seen such a traffic disaster in my entire life, and I'm 70 years old. New York Air Show, near Newburgh, New York. Don't come.